Hi guys, 11:32 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na, brethren, family and friends sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? And tomorrow, thank God it's Friday, yes. How was your week? Kumusta po? How was your February 4 to 11 po na donation? Nakapag-donate po ba kayo? Nakalimutan? Tomorrow is Valentine's. Pahabol, no po? And okay, pwede bang humabol? Yes, up to you. Actually, well, kung di ka pa talaga po nakapag-donate, I think it's tomorrow is one of the best time and days to make a donation. Don't forget. Actually, kahit naman nag-donate ka ng February 4 to 11, you are still well requested na ituloy mo lang po yung good deed mo, no? Ituloy lang natin. Again, to my clients this week, marami pong salamat sa inyo pong patuloy sa pagtitiwala po. Thank you so much. And to my clients this weekend and to my client next week, see you po. And to each and everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, sige po, let's do it. Now, tomorrow, Valentine's Day, Kuya Norman, ano bang meron? Okay, let us see. Tomorrow, it's called the Wood Tiger enters the Established Officer Day. So tomorrow po, ang suitable po na activities is mangolekta ng utang, meeting friends, networking, signing contracts or agreements, and trading. Ito po yung mga suggested, no po? Ito suggested. And well, karamihan po, of course, yung assuming a new post, not recommended, constructing drains, disengage or dissolve an agreement, financial activities, getting married, moving house, putting up roof beams, renovation, seeking medical treatment, and traveling, not recommended. But of course, may pangontra tayo. Meron tayong way of doing things po para po still we get what we want. In terms po of zodiac signs, rat and ox not so good, tiger's best, average po for the rabbit, dragon and snake not so good, best for the horse, average for the goat, not so good for the monkey, average for the rooster, and best for dog and pig. Yan. Okay. Tingnan natin. Let us see. Tingnan po natin in terms po of, yes, daily chimen. 11 now until 10:59 the next day. Okay, tingnan po natin. Sa araw po ng mga puso. Okay, ito po. If you want 10x being beautiful and handsome here and overseas, worldwide recognition, talikod po sa South. Game changer, 7 stars to with absolute support and absolute power. Talikod sa South. Ito po, gagamitin ko ito. Talikod sa Southwest. If you want to create opportunities, wisdom, talikod naman po sa Northwest. Health is wealth, negotiation, heart-to-heart talk. If you're not feeling well, want to recover from illness, talikod ka naman sa North. And finally, anything to do with finances, talikod ka naman sa Northeast. Okay. Now, daily natin, yung hourly chimen, meron ba Kuya Norman? Yung Green Dragon, namimiss na namin, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Okay, silipin po natin. Ayan. Sa araw po ng mga puso. Let us see. Okay po. Tingnan po natin yan. Okay. 14. Okay. As early as 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. BFF, talikod sa Southwest, Jade Maiden watching the door for likability and control. And then meron tayong game changer doon. Ang ganda po nito. Southwest backing. Then another Southwest backing, Flying Bird fall into cave, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Nagkasama. Uy, and this is from 5 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. Ito gagamitin ko to. And then, if you want po 11 p.m. to 12 a.m., there's the Green Dragon returns, talikod naman sa East. And so, again, another Flying Bird, talikod sa Southwest. So, Southwest is the key, BFF. Southwest is our friend po, backing po tomorrow. Actually, as early as now. Po. And again, BFF, don't stress yourself if you were not able to donate. But of course, to those who have donated, congratulations po. At least, nakapag-comply tayo with the recommendation of Grandmaster Tan Kong Yong of Singapore. For all we know, yung po kasi yung golden time. That's the time na yung mga Singaporeans are nagbibigay po. And of course, with the success po, it's also good na matuto tayo rin po sa ganyan po mga activities nila. Okay, again, BFF, I won't keep this long. I know some of you are sleeping. Magbabawi for tomorrow is for you. It's a special day, Valentine's Day. Again, my greetings po to each and everyone. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.